Ipshita, who is joined just now, please follow the steps. Ipshita, follow the steps. Okay, I'm playing. Start. अरे हे रे रे ले आसमानी छतरी After this, you will move to the right side. 1 and a jump. 2 and a jump. 2, 1, start. Hey, hey, hey. Next step is, please follow right hand up. Right hand up. Left leg up and right. The umbrella should be up like this. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, we will move to the right and left like this. Shoulder shake and leg raise. Shoulder shake and leg raise. 4 times. For this, 4 times jump. How? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 4 times. And the umbrella in front, you will do this one. First, look at me. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After that, you will raise your legs in front. Right leg first. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Let's do. छतरी रे नीले आसमानी छतरी का उड़न खटोला उड़े तो लागे हिंडोला छतरी का उड़न खटोला डोले तो लागे हिंडोला. After this, like the umbrella is flying and you are running. Okay, like this. उड़े कभी भागे कभी दौड़े कभी. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. उड़े कभी भागे कभी दौड़े कभी. समझ ना आए छतरी. Put your hand on top. Okay. समझ ना आए छतरी. Yes, correct. After that, you will make a circle around the umbrella. How? Keeping in the umbrella in the center, and you will make a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Okay. We will do. Take a break. Take a 1-minute break. 1-minute break. Run, everyone. Toilet, water, anything. अरे हे रे रे ले आसमानी छतरी हे रे रे ले आसमानी छतरी का उड़न खटोला डोले तो लागे हिंडोला छतरी का उड़न खटोला डोले तो लागे हिंडोला उड़े कभी भागे कभी दौड़े कभी समझ ना आती छतरी. Okay, next step. here. Again, you will pick the umbrella, keep it on the right shoulder. Kukuri kuri. Then you will jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, again you will move to the right and left 4 times.
Ma'am, can you show the step again?
Yes, I'll show. Raise it up, then do a jumping. Hip 1, 2 like that. Jumping, jumping, jumping. Yes. After that you will move again to the right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now hold it like this and open your hand. That is the end. 1, 2, 3, go right, to the left, to the right, to the left, and turn to the right and open your left hand. Yes. That is, we'll do it from the beginning. I will. Ready? Ready? रे रे ले आसमानी छतरी कुकुरी 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 हे रे रे ले आसमानी छतरी का उड़न खटोला तूने तो लागे झूला का उड़न खटोला डोले तो लागे झूला उड़े कभी भागे कभी दौड़े कभी समझ न माने